Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, we are back. And today we're going to be combining the Pocket Option AI with my own confluences. I tried out the Pocket Option AI for the very first time, which is this baby right here. And I opened about 12 trades using the AI. And unfortunately, we ended up losing 8, only winning 4. But the significant thing here is the fact that we went on a 7-0 losing streak. Keeping in mind that, of course, I did open trades blindly, randomly on the charts, just using the AI. And yeah, it didn't go all that well. So I thought to myself, there must be more to the AI. I thought that maybe if we combine different confluences like liquidity sweeps, support and resistance, breaks of structure, fair value gaps, order blocks, you name it. If we combine it with all these confluences, we can form some sort of strategy using, the AI. So that's what we're going to be attempting here today. If we can make some money, that's great. That's the whole idea here around this stream. But of course, yeah, we are taking a risk trading with the AI. Now, of course, keep in mind, we will be trading on the 1-minute time frame. This is the time frame I will be using to look for confluences. The 1 minute, I don't think I'll be using any other time frames. Of course, we are trading in London session as we speak. And I will be risking about $100 per trade, which is just over 4% of the account per trade. So that is what we'll be risking consistently throughout this video. And of course, before we climb into things here, if you guys are interested in free binary option signals, I have a free Telegram channel you guys can join. I send out free weekly signals, free educational content that you guys can learn a lot from, packed with valuable information that will help expand your trading knowledge beyond belief. And of course, my VIP trading group is also free to join. All you have to do is sign up under my referral link. The link is also in the description below to my referral link, and you can sign up with as little as $5, 5 USD, and you can get going. You will have lifetime access to my signals. I send out 5 signals Monday to Friday, trading both in London and New York session. So that's basically 25 signals per week. I have a win rate above 75% with a proven track record, as all my results are posted in the free group. And then once you become a VIP member, you will also have access to my 15-module trading course, which is also packed with extremely valuable content and information that will help expand your trading knowledge. The link is all in the description below to that stuff, so make sure that you go and check it out. So let's get into things here. How the AI works is, unfortunately, I'm not going to click on AI trading right this moment, but if you go to your settings and you go to trading mode, which is right here, you'll see you have 2 different types of trading modes. You have the classic mode and the AI mode. We've selected the AI mode. And obviously, all you do is simply click on AI trading, and the AI will open a buy or a sell with a selected trade duration. The trade duration is random. It obviously uses code and algorithm, some sort of code and algorithm, to determine whether to buy or sell with a selected trade duration. So obviously, keeping that in mind, I will be combining the AI with multiple confluences, okay? Hoping that the AI does sort of trade in sync with, what I'm going for, essentially. Yeah, if I want to buy, if I'm looking for buys, I'm hoping the AI will buy. If I'm looking for sells, I'm hoping the AI will look for sells, of course. But we don't have control over that. So the AI is going to do its own thing. If it moves in sync with what I'm doing, great. If it doesn't, we'll have to see what happens. So that's going to be the exciting part about this video, essentially, and that's exactly what we're going to be getting into. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do in the meantime is, because we're trading London session, I'm just going to go ahead and favorite all the GBP, CHF, and Euro pairs. These are the most active pairs during the London session. They tend to move the most. There's obviously a lot more volume with these currency pairs, and that's what we want. When you trade these sessions, you want that volume for movement, for price movement, to maximize your results and profits. I'm not sure how many trades we'll be opening. We'll see what sort of setups we can find. Of course, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash a like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a stream. And we are going to climb into things right here. We're going to see what sort of setups we can find. And as I trade, you will start to see the sort of confluences I look for. Okay, so USD CHF is looking pretty good. So we have a resistance zone up here, which price is consolidating in at the moment. And we have a support zone down here as well. So we have support and resistance, consolidation. Usually when you see consolidation, it's poised for a break in either direction. But it does look like we're getting some sort of swing of bearish momentum here. So if we get a breakout, I think below this trend line, I'm hoping now that the AI will look for sells, because my idea here is that the price is going to go down. So if we get a break below 0.78935, which is this price level, below this, it's essentially a support break, then I will open a trade. Let's see. Are we going to get that break? I'll take it. And the AI buys. The AI bought. We obviously got that continuation of bearish structure to the downside. I was hoping that the AI would open a sell there. There's a beautiful, beautiful support break. We got in nice and early, actually, and things just went a little bit pear-shaped, I suppose. Euro CHF looks like a setup as well. We've got support down here. Very nice support zone. My real question is, if we get a break of structure right over here, okay, is price going to keep going up? And not only is price going to keep going up, is AI going to buy or is AI going to sell? Let's see. Okay, this is going to be the second trade we're opening here. We've got a inverse fair value gap right here. We highlight it just like that. Make it white. It looks like an opportunity to get in here. So on this candle closure, I will see, is AI going to look for buys or sells? Okay, 3-minute buy on Euro CHF. Obviously, Euro CHF breaking below the zone. It might still remain. I will go to the 5 minutes. See, that's dropping down quite a lot. I thought, hey, price is going to keep, rising here. It's pulled back down to support. We got a break through this inverse value gap, and we're just going to keep rising to the upside, which didn't happen. Price continued dropping following that bearish market structure, and we ended up losing the trade by about 17 points. That's 2 losses in a row. Okay, odd CHF is also pulled back quite a lot here. 72% payout, it's not too bad. But if we take a look at the bigger picture here, we have support, former resistance zone. Okay, odd CHF pushing to the upside now. Will AI go for a buy position? That's the real question. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, well, the AI has opened a 1-minute sell. Oy, this is going to be close. But as you can see, price is slowly starting to increase. I was hoping that the AI was going to go for a buy. A 1-minute buy position would have been perfect, but that's 3 losses in a row. The perfect bounce of a support zone, which we marked out here. We started to get a swing of momentum to the upside. And with this swing, I was hoping that the AI would go for a 1 or a 2-minute buy position. That's another loss. 4 points. We're down $100. I must say it's tough when you have an idea of where you want price to go. You've got all these confluences, what you've set up on the charts, and you're hoping that AI is gonna move in sync with where you predict price to go. And I think it's only done it once so far on the stream, which was in Euro CHF with a 3-minute buy position right here, which we ended up losing. Okay, so obviously, as we can see, Euro GBP is in an uptrend. If we go back to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that price is forming higher highs and higher lows. So we've got that bullish trend here. And we've got a pullback to support. We get a nice bullish engulfing candle here. I might look for buys. We engulfed this previous candle. I'm saying I'll look for buys. We're going to open a trade using AI and hope that it buys. I'm going to open a trade using the AI and see what happens. A 3-minute sell. Okay, happy days. That's the first W that we've nailed down right here. I was looking for some sort of reaction off the support zone, hoping that the AI would buy. But in this case, the AI sold, continuing with that bearish momentum. A very, very risky one because price is down at a support zone. So anything can happen here. But if we take a look, the AI locked in a 3-minute sell position. We secured $90 profit. That's the first win out of the 4 trades we've taken. So hopefully that continues. The thing is, you see, with this AI tool, with the AI trading, I said in my previous stream, I don't know how up to date the model is. I don't know what sort of algorithm or code it uses because this AI trading has been around for a very, very long time. And obviously AI is developing and becoming better by the day. So my question is this AI becoming better by the day? Or is it still the same version or model from when it was first released or launched? Prior to this win on Euro GBP, we lost. I mean, I can't scroll. Okay, I can scroll a bit lower than that, but 7 losses yesterday and 3 losses to kickstart things on the stream today. That's 10 losses in a row, which ain't great. Let's see. We'll continue looking for setups. I think I might take 1 or 2 more trades, maybe. Okay, here we go. Here we have GBP USD moving to the upside. So just to give you guys a little bit of perspective here. Okay, so we have momentum swinging to the upside. As you can see, we have this little channel forming, and it's forming like a little U shape, like a teacup. You guys obviously know the teacup and handles pattern, whatever you want to call it. And it looks like we're starting to form some nice bullish structure here. So I'm sure if we get a break above 1.34497, we'll open a trade with AI, hoping that it buys, because that is my thinking behind this trade and purpose for opening the trade. So let's hope that the AI syncs up with my analysis. Nice little breakout to the upside. Now, is the AI going to buy or sell? Okay, a 1-minute buy. Mighty close. Wow. I think we won that trade by like 1 point. Must be. 2 points. Crazy. And a couple of seconds later, price dipped below our entry. So we got in at the right time. Okay, USD CHF has dropped down to support here as well. Maybe if we get like a nice little resistance break, that's if the consolidation doesn't continue here. Usually when price drops to the support resistance zones, they like to consolidate for a little bit, just like here. But we did get a break of structure here and off the support zone. Let's see if the AI buys. It sells. It's a 1-minute sell, which is better than a 2-minute sell. So this obviously got a lot of people excited. We secured yet another win. This would have faked a lot of people out now had you opened a 1 minute buy position. Personally, I wouldn't have opened a 1 minute buy position. I probably would have gone for like 3 minutes plus. With this push to the upside and a sharp pullback, you're probably going to see some sort of form of consolidation here. Obviously, if we take a look at things, we want to maybe go down to like the 15-second time frame, which is one of my favorite time frames to use. Stuff looks awful here, but as you can see, we have like a bit of resistance up here. And we can change that color, and then we have some support down here. And you can see price will probably, if it respects support and resistance, it'll probably bounce in between these two ranges for a little while. And I think the sell that we took here was the right move. If we look at things here, we got to come back on the cards. We got to come back on the cards, started things off with 3 losses. And the last 3 trades we've taken, we've won. If we win the next trade, that's it for me. That means we've walked away in like this much profit. Okay, we have a bit of resistance here on GBP/JPY. As you can see, we're on the 5-minute time frame. Just marking up a little bit of support and resistance. It did kind of break above resistance. Okay, so we broke structure to the downside here. Okay, we've got a little pullback. If we take a closer look in the resistance zone, we have a fair value gap, a tiny one. I mean, this is about 1 or 2 points. Change the color of that to white. And if we get a break below $214.968, I will look to open a trade using the AI, hoping it's going to sell. That is the intention. I think we are going to get a drop off to the downside here. I mean, price did push above, swept liquidity at 214.989, consolidated, dropped, pulled back, and I think we're going to get a continuation to the downside. Okay, there we go. We got a break. I'm liking the looks of that. I think I'm going to, let's see if the AI sells here. A 1 minute sell. A 1 minute sell here. I would have gone for maybe a 2 or 3 minute sell here, but a 1 minute sell is better than a 1 minute buy. That's for sure. Yeah, I mean, I would have preferred a 2 or a 3 minute sell. The AI had the right intention, but unfortunate. Look, I must say, with all the trades we have taken, there's been 1 or 2 occasions where the AI has sort of moved in sync with the trade direction I've wanted to open trades in, but I would say that most of the time it hasn't. Yeah, 4 losses, 3 wins. Looking at the bigger picture, over the last 2 days, we opened a total of, if I do the math correctly now, 7 trades today, 12 trades yesterday, basically 7 wins out of 19. Not great. So there you have it. Overall, the overall experience using the AI trading, I know some people use it. Comparing it to yesterday, much better. Obviously, we took less trades. I wouldn't recommend it. My overall rating of the AI, not as accurate as they depict it to be, because obviously they sell this AI trading as some glamorous trading system or solution to those people that are trying to get into trading or automate their trading in some sort of way, and it's just not what a lot of people think it is. At the end of the day, you're better off learning these concepts, practicing on your own, watching my content that I've posted for free over the years, and looking for trades and confluences on your own, like I do. I don't use indicators and I don't use AI. With AI, in these last 2 streams, I've proven that you're most likely not going to make money. I don't think I'll be doing an AI trading video again or stream. I've done it. I've tried it. I'm happy I've tried it so that I know in the future to stay away from it. My rating, 3, 4 out of 10. Just like the results, really. Yeah, if not a 2. If they want to attract people to using this system, they really need to improve it. Seriously, they have to improve this. But that's a wrap, people. I enjoyed it. Make sure that you smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.